Folks, welcome to the video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the DJI Mike Mini. I'll use this. And so I picked this guy up at Best Buy, and I've seen some good reviews on it, so I figured I'd check it out. So here's the box. Nothing crazy. Here's the back of the box. So yeah, I kind of want to upgrade from the mics on the phone. So pulling this out, this is kind of neat. This is actually a nice unboxing experience. So I opened the box from the bottom. It doesn't have any seals or anything as far as plastic is concerned because it was shrink wrapped, which I know is plastic, but you get this little booklet, this pamphlet, and then you get this. And this actually feels like a nice article of clothing. So this you pull off here and pop this open, and it looks like it comes in this little package here, which is a nice soft material. And then this plastic is also nice and soft, and it's recyclable. This obviously has a little zipper here, and then this little pouch, it just says the model number and that this is polyester. So opening this, I've never bought an external mic to use with my phone. Actually, that's a lie. I do have one, and that is this Snowball, which I bought a while ago. I mean, that thing maybe 6 years ago or something like that. So we have little wind things here. That's nice. I believe this comes with 2 mics. And you have this here and this here. So I don't know what the difference in those are. Not really an audiologist here. It looks like, so we have this, which is kind of old school. And we have this cable here, regardless. But you have your USB-A to USB-C cable here. Nothing too crazy, little 1-foot cable, probably for charging. And then I do like this little pouch here. That is nice. And it says DGI here. That's cool. And then again, it comes in this little plastic deal. We're gonna open that. It's frankly not that expensive. This was under $100. So as you can see, a little cover here. And so there's that. I think this is the actual microphone. I don't know. I have no idea how this works. So this is the monitor thingy, I think, that sits on you. I've never been on like a worship team or anything like that. All right, so it says this mic is out and on. We'll do this. Give me just a brief moment. So you have this box here, which is nice. This feels good, has a little bit of a texture on it, feels sturdy. Then you have like a little charge port back here. So this is like a little docking station. You know, my other mic is in there. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try to. All right, so it does come with some stickers in here. It says DJI. I like that. Creates a little bit of a following. And then you have your quick start guide. Mic check, mic check. All right, so this is what it sounds like with the mic on. I'm gonna have to get used to this because I'm used to like talking louder to project, because I usually film here at home or in an office. I'm usually trying to be a little bit boomy, and you can tell I'm not using an external mic. So it's gonna take some getting used to, so bear with me. I've been recording for years. I'm not like a professional actor or anything like that, but I've been recording for years on this channel and just out in public without microphones. So I just wanna test this out. I do have a family reunion coming up, and so I do think I'm going to use this. That is one thing that is good about this system, is that you have 2 microphones. I think you can buy some with 1, but I would highly recommend getting 2, just because, like, even if you're not doing professional recordings and stuff like that, I just have my YouTube channel, going to a family reunion, and then also if children with games, like, you could actually mic them up. You know, if you have like a little league child, and I don't know what the range is on this. Long story short, it's cheap enough that you can buy it. If this was complete trash, number one, I could return it. I don't know if there's a restocking fee, but I could say, hey, it was defective or something like that if it was. And then if not, and I'm not like completely in love with it, it's $100, and I can work my way to like an overhead mic setup and a whole studio situation once I move and buy a house in a different state. So stay tuned for that, but thank you for watching.